Travel asks a lot of you. And in the middle of this move from California, Illinois, we have to drive 32 hours total. And there's a lot of cool things along the way. And if I wake up dead tomorrow, you'll know why. All right, good morning. It's day one of the road trip.
Hi.
Probably about an hour outside of Vegas. And it occurs to me, I have never been where I am now. In fact, from here until about middle of Iowa, I've never been to any of these places before. I've flown over them a lot, like a ton of times, but being on the ground is something totally different. And it double occurred to me that Melly here has been where I'm at before, and I haven't been here. So you're the travel senior now. For the next 2 hours, you're the guide, and I am the passenger. So, pretty excited to see what it is. Everything's supposed to be red and rocky, and then we're supposed to get to Bryce Canyon, maybe a little bit of Zion, and maybe something else along the way to Beaver in Utah. So, that's where we'll camp for the night. We're staying in a hotel. I'm not camping. We'll see how that goes. Alright, so we stopped for some Subway because eating's a good thing that's easy to forget about. But I had a check engine light, and it was my engine knock sensor, which could be timing issues, but turns out the guy at the shop just figured, have the computer tell the check engine light to fuck off, so that's what we did. So hopefully that doesn't bite us in the ass. We're racing the sun right now. I did math backwards, and the sun is going to set sooner because we're going forward in time zones, not later. So despite being on the road good today, it's just kind of hard to do the timing. So we're going to try to get in this Zion tonight and check out some sunset. Then we can head on to Beaver, go to bed early, and get up and try to do sunset in Bryce Canyon, which the old man says is phenomenal. So finish the Subway, say hello to the cats. Cats, say hi. Oh, you look at you angry little bastard looking. Head's all the way back. Alright, then we're gonna take off. We're about to really be up in some elevations. It'll be beautiful from here on out. We're pretty much done with the ugly desert side of the drive. So, see you then. fits one Melly. And not much else. That's okay. It's cute. It's clean. I like it all things considered compared to the last place because it's not all smoke. And look at this. This bathroom's bigger than my old apartment. I'm glad we're moving. Sometimes I've talked about travel asks a lot of you. And in the middle of this move from California, Illinois, we have to drive 32 hours total. And there's a lot of cool things along the way. So we got to bed around midnight last night. And then we got up today at 4:30 because it's a 2-hour drive to see this can't miss canyon, and I want a time lapse of the sunrise. And if I wake up dead tomorrow, you'll know why. Well, we made up 15 minutes on the drive in. We are at Rainbow View in Bryce Canyon, about 20 minutes from proper sunrise. Gonna go find a place to put the tripod. We're somewhere in Utah, and Melly says we have found real-life Minecraft. And I'm inclined to believe that, especially with all this yellow back here behind me. There are birch trees galore. It's gorgeous. Also, we're not allowed to go in them. We're public, so I'm guessing these are like reforestation places, I guess. They all seem like baby trees. Maybe they pick them up and replant them somewhere. My hair is so wispy. Welcome to the flattest thing on earth next to a piece of paper. We're in Kansas right now. We were on the road for all of 10 minutes before Melly fell asleep in the middle of a section due to highway hypnosis, which is a very real thing out here. You can see out the window a little bit. They actually have hills at the moment, which is wild. We have to internalize the memory of them because it's going to be worse and worse as the day goes on. We have about 8 hours to go to Kansas City. We were in Denver last night, Commerce City specifically. And it is 108 miles until I just hold left and stay on the same freeway. And that's it. There's nothing between Kansas City and Denver. So we'll see how many times we have to fall asleep at the wheel and pull off and nap. Otherwise, I'll see you on the other end. My home. It's here. Chillicothe. It's your fault.